All right. Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and I'm cycle long distance with e-bikes, 50, 150 miles, 50 miles, 80 miles, 200 miles. And I've worn these same glasses the entire time, and I have cracked them or broke them. I've scratched them, and it right there where my eye, where I see right through the black part of my eye. I ain't sure what that's called. um, and have been looking for replacement ones that aren't garbage. Or which, if you get the Oakley replacement ones, they're as much as the glasses, which is expensive. But this company here sent me these, and we're gonna open them and try them out together because I have not tried them at all. They asked me what colors would I like. Comes with a little bag, which is kind of cool. MRY. These are inexpensive. They're like 20 bucks for a replacement polarized glasses, which that's what I want, is polarized. It's got a little sticker or whatever that is. Let's get it. Come on, come on. They're not giving up the ghost. It's double boxed, I guess. So there's another box out of this box. All right, but I got two pair in here. See, save, and share. Test polarization. This gives you one of these. So I've got a green pair, and I think I got another pair. Yeah. And then this one is the black pair. It's called Grayson, which that's what these glasses are the Grayson. So they would be the replacement for these. But I want to try these first. So what you do is just pop these out without breaking them. It shouldn't be too hard, just like that. Come on. Let's not get crazy with it. I don't want to hurt it. There it is. But yeah, these are right at the crack. Sucks, because I love these. But now I look like, I look professional. All right, so let's put these on now. Let's pull these out. It's got like a green tint, which I like. And we're putting these on together, so let's see if these fit. Oh, okay, outside. You have to put them on the outside, not the inside. Boom, boom, boom. Fits perfect. Good. Get my fingerprints all on them. But there we go. Nice. Let me clean them real quick. Is this good to clean with it? I hope. All right, let's see. Oh, these is great. It's kind of purpley. Still got a little bit of stuff on them. They give you a replacement bag for it. I wonder, will this clean them? It's a little bit foggy. Let's see here. There we go. What am I doing wrong? I blame myself first before I blame them. Boom. Boom. It's pushed in there hard. Let me make sure. Boom. This is the Grayson. All right. Let's see. So I don't think the green ones are working. If you just twist it, it pops right off. So that's kind of disappointing. So the green ones aren't working. So let's pop this off. And let's try the other ones. These are called the Grayson, and that's what these glasses are called as well. So let's put these on. Let's see. And it doesn't say an R or an L on each side, so there's not directional. So we'll put these on. Gonna fit. There it is. Awesome. I have a much tighter fit. Let's see here. We'll pull this one off. And let's see here. There. Boom, boom, boom. Everything look good. Not popping off. Put these on. Fingerprints all over it. Can't see nothing really well. Let's clean these off. Honestly, neither one of these are fitting very well. This one's popping off. And these are $25. Let's see, you gotta clean them. I don't want to. It's just, this one's stiff. I don't know if it's the sunglasses or if it's there, because it's just the, what is that, the left side? And it's in there. It's popping right off. The other side's hard to get off. Let's put the original ones back on. These are the original ones. Trying to push on them, pop them out. Well, those didn't work. So I wouldn't buy these. Not for Oakleys. Thanks for watching.